welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the hairs on the top and divide them into two parts and make the plaits on it. Now put the hairs in the between of the plaited hairs. Now the hairs which we have put in the plaited hairs like this, we will join them in the between like this and make the plaits like this. So using the mat making technique, we will fix the hairs like this. Join it one by one in the zigzag or alternative matters like this. Now fix them till the end and put the hairs like this and it's ready. Next, take a ponytail. Now divide the hairs upward and fix it like this in the half. Now roll it down again. Tie it from the between and then divide it and fix it like this by making the plaits. And then roll it upward and fix it like this around and your hairstyle will be ready. Tie the hairs and then divide it from the between like this. Now fold it upward and fix it using the hairpin. Divide the hairs into two parts and then fix it like this. Roll the hairs and fix them into each other. Fix them inside the bun and it's ready. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fold it upward like this, divide the hairs into two parts and then make the plaits on it. Fix the hairs like this and then fold it upward, fix it on the alternative sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs and then fix it in the between and then rotate it. Now, after that, divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on it. After making the plaits, we will fix the hairs like this and then rotate it. After rolling the hairs upward and fix it like this. Now, fix it by folding it upward and tie it and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs and then fold it like this. After fixing the hairs, fix the hairs in the same manner as shown in the video. So plait the hairs and put the hairs in the between like this. Watch the technique very carefully how we are fixing the hairs and take it till the left side. Fix it and then your hairstyle will be ready. Next, make a ponytail, tie the hairs and then make the plaits on it. After making the plaits, we will fold it like this and fix it upward. Now divide the hairs, rest of the hairs and then rotate it from the between like this. Now fix the hairs into each other and make a bow on the top like this. Divide it from the between and fold it upward like this and it's ready. Make a ponytail, fold it upward like this, fix it in the half and put the hairpin. Divide it from the between and then rotate it like this. Fix the hairs inside it and then fold it upward and cover it to make a bun. Make a high pony bun like this and it's ready. Make a ponytail. Divide the hairs and make the plaits on it. Now after making the plaits, join the hairs like this and fix it in the half. Fix it like this and then take the hairs from the side. So watch the technique very carefully how we are plaiting the hairs. Fix it till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. Take the hairs from the sides, join it on the back and then take another section of the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Now rotate it. Fix them into each other. Divide the hairs like this from the between and then rotate it. Now after that, fold it upward and fix it like this. Now tie the hairs and it's ready. Next, take the hairs like this and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fold it like this and join it on the back. Now after that, divide the hairs like this into two parts and divide it from the between and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fold it upward like this and fix it. And it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it. Now after that, take the hairs from the sides again and again rotate it like this. Fix them into each other. Now put this net over the hairs and fix it and it's ready. You have to tie the ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts and then roll it like this. After rolling the hairs, we will fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it properly till the end and tie it tightly. Now fold it upward and fix it like this to make a bun. Thanks for watching our video.